Okay, good morning everyone. Today is Thursday, 9 o'clock. We're going to Golden. Golden is like a ukay-ukay in our country in the Philippines. No? So we're going there. We will see what we have there. What they have there. And find something that we can use with a reasonable price. Like, yan tayo. Hello people. Yan, taxi. Close. Kamusta naman kayo mga kaibigan, mga content creator? Ang ating mga boss. Sobrang lamig today. Negative 10 I suppose. Alright, here we go. Pero sikat ang araw, sikat ang araw, pero naiigat na rin. Heritage din nga pala dito na sa heritage din nandyan lagyan na bata, so sa business na rin naiin sweet tapos of course Canadian Starbucks. So we're going now we're about to go out of the town, outside the town. We're going to Dutchess Calgary Medicine Hat. Ate, yun ang punta Medicine Hat. Yun. 1 hour yun. Ayan yung lake ay ano pa rin guys, yellow pa rin yung lake natin. Sorry, that lake is water. Now it's pure ice. Going to Golden Bean in our place, in our home, in about 5 minutes, more or less 5 minutes. Yan yung lake, no? Yung lake yan, guide lake. Kaya purong puti dahil yan ay full of ice, pure ice, solid ice. Na nag-turn left na tayo. There is the Golden Bean. Golden Bean. Oh, yeah, a lot of people here. Kasi Thursday, baksak tayo today. So, medyo nagkarami nagpunta tao. Alright, Golden Bean. Daming mga nakaparada. Ibig sabihin, marami ang may bili. At I think, yung tira-tira na lang matitira sa amin. Golden Bean. Ayan na ang Golden Bean. Golden Bean. And guys, Dolphin. Oh. So 5 minutes nga from our place, our home, going here 5 minutes. So dahil 2 minutes.